the RTO department in Vasco, okay, the third floor. The room was totally empty and we have been standing for nearly 1.5 hours in the line. A big queue and the office is totally empty. Not even one seat is filled in.
If you want that video, I can give that.
So, you know, we have been requesting these people by going on the second floor to requesting them to come again and again. But they are saying, you know, wait, as if there is no concern for anyone. So, if we ask them, they are saying they are lack of staff, some election duty they are gone and stuff like that. So, if they are gone for election duty or something, their head should know about it, no? So, if they are out of staff, at least they should report this matter to their particular department and send the staff over here for the public service. What we are supposed to do? Take more than 3 months for any license or new registration to be issued. This is quite a lot of time, you know, and if we are held on the road by the traffic police, what answer are we going to give? 3 months is quite a long time. The government should think over it and do something.
See, when I reach here, so many people are waiting, and total office was totally empty. And second thing, when we call the people, so that assistant came and told us, Baba, you came with the cards. He was going with the cards down. So we told him, Baba, we are not going down because already we have come on the third floor and we are waiting so long. And after all, they are telling us to come down again. So when we have started, then the 2 instructors came immediately and they have distributing now cards. So what our request, they should give some alternate guy here. Total empty office they are keeping for. This is the public service they are providing. They should provide a good service for our public.
हांगा येवन पळयतकच कळटा की आमचे कडेन स्टाफ आसा तो सामको उणो आसा. स्टाफ कोण दिवपाची खबरच करना आनी स्टाफ जाय म्हणून सांगात आमकां मेमोरंडम येता की आसा त्या स्टाफान तुमी बगया म्हणून. म्हणजे आमी खंयच्यान स्टाफ हाडपाचो? आतां ते प्रॉब्लम लायसन दिवपाक कोण ना म्हणून. स्टाफ सकाळ फुडें 4 येवन बोटीचेर पॅसेंजर येता थंय पळोवपाक गेले. म्हणून म्हजे कडेन आज स्टाफ नाशिल्लो.